have been blessed with a wonderful day, a fabulous occasion and a fabulous venue.
Back in 2009 in Little Hintock, it was early hours of the morning, and this girl walks into her sitting room, and yeah, she caught me eye.
I couldn't remember this.
What can I say about my Lynette? Well, she arrived into this world on the 2nd of January 1990, a day I will never forget. Lynette was my first son, a real tomboy, and only wanted to play with boys, and dresses were definitely out. When Lynette first took Derry home, he seemed to be quite a nice guy. I must have gone up and down the corridor, making sure that all the rules were obeyed.
Forever seems like
What I do know is that she is a wonderful daughter, a beautiful, beautiful bride, and most of all, a loyal friend to her friends.
I feel like I'm walking on water since the day that I asked your father to let go of his daughter.
Take you, Lynette,
That's my wife.
as my wife.
So give me your blessing, sir. I'll give her all that
In the
I
name of the Father,
It doesn't look like much,
and the Holy
but it
Spirit.
sure
Amen.
feels like a lot.
Derry, I think you can kiss her best friend.
Take my heart and take my hand. Take my heart.
welcome Derry into our family. I think Lynette has found her partner for life. They were always so happy in each other's company, and I wish them both a long, happy, healthy life together with lots of kids for Ray and Catherine to mind.